Hello everyone, this is our project. Our team represents our team name is Trust Zone, and we represent the project in Renesas RA6E2 board. The name of the project is lift controller using FSM. Since we have availability of only one user switch in this model, we can use that switch alone. The switch we configured as port number 304, and the LED that we are configured as port 104 and port 104 and port 112. So while we are pressing one switch, the LED will glow. For that, it will represent the first floor in the lift. If we press two times, then it will represent the second floor. Likewise, it goes up to 5. Then in the fifth floor, if a person wants to go down to the floor, then if we press 1 second the switch, then it will come down like 5 4 3 2. Again it will go from 1 to 5, like etc. Let's demonstrate our project. Okay, now I am in the ground floor. Now I am pressing the switch for one time. You can see that the switch is blinked. That means we have reached the first floor. Then if I press the second time, then we reach to the second floor. Similarly, for the third time, if I press the switch, the LED blinks us 3 times, which indicates we are in the third floor. Now you can able to see the blinking of LED for 4 times. Now we are reached at fourth floor. Similarly, we are now the LED is blinked for 5 times, so we are at the fifth floor. Now we are at the fifth floor. Now we need to go from 5 to 1. So now if I am pressing the switch, the LED flows for 4 times. Then if I press another time, then we'll go to third floor. Similarly, it goes for second floor and first floor. This is our project. Thank you.